Here we
I'm
are
watching myself walk.
on our walk. It's Skittles and Sniffles.
Number 2. Is it 2 or 3?
This is like our third show, I think. So, MG over here is sleeping over at my house tonight because it is spring break and
Mia Familia is going to Florida without me.
Florida.
Florida.
Anyways, it's kind of rude that they're leaving without her, but because she has soccer.
I don't like him that
But
much
also
anyway.
it's good because then she gets to stay with me.
That's the bad part of the deal. I'm being paid though, so it's okay.
You know you love it. Being paid? That's awful.
Really, I'm going home with you.
It's an awful thing to say. You're being paid to be sleep over at my house.
Your parents pay me too. They were saying that you don't have any friends.
I have tons of friends.
She just thinks she does. Family doesn't count, sweetie.
Something on the camera.
Anyway.
Sweet pea. Apple of my eye.
Keep going, Natalie, please. How does the song go?
You're the only reason. Keep on.
Ow!
You ruined my song.
No, please start off.
What?
Do it? No.
Okay,
You know
people are coming our way. We should probably end this.
No, not.
That way?
Oh.
Okay, say bye, Sniffs.
Bye, Sniffs.
You're a Sniffs, you loser. Bye.